Hey guys, this time has arrived for the millions of pilgrims to make their once-in-a-lifetime journey to Hajj. Back in 2012 I performed Hajj and now I have good family that are travelling. So I thought let me make a list of items that you should take with you and share this amongst others that will educate and save them time too. So in this video I'm going to share with you briefly the items you should take with you when going on to pilgrimage. Right, first of all you need to check is your passport. Make sure it's not expired. Your tickets will be given to you either a week before your journey or at the airport when you get together in a group. Travel documents such as information on the hotel you're staying at, telephone numbers, ticket and plane details and so on. Make sure you make copies or take a picture of them on your phone. Same with your visa and meningitis certificate. So your passport, ticket, visa and meningitis certificate are your permissions to enter and perform Hajj. Take with you an unlocked smartphone. You can use a smartphone for video calling, messaging and taking pictures. If you don't wish to take a smartphone, then I do recommend taking the new Nokia 3310. SIM cards can be bought once you arrive at your destination. Your group leader will provide you with more information regarding this. Now this is an option. If you wish to take a travel insurance, you can do. Personally myself, when I went before, I did not. Again, speak to your organisers for more information. Let the doctors know you're travelling on this journey and if there are any concerns regarding your health, they will let you know. Now meningitis vaccine is something you definitely need to protect yourself from bacteria and other viruses that you may catch. Your local pharmacy may do this vaccination. Price will vary. Normally it will cost about £35 with the certificate. At the doctors or high street pharmacies they may charge more. Make sure you secure your home and tell your good fellow neighbours, family and friends you're off to Hajj. Take some packed food or snacks with you just in case you will need a bite when you're travelling towards your destination. Now support will be from your group leaders and those whom are going with you. So make sure you keep the organisers and your leaders' phone numbers stored on your mobile phone or note it down in a small book. Any questions you have, they will be happy to help you out. Okay, so let's move on your attire. Now for men and women, at the time for Umrah and Hajj period, you will be in the Ihram status. Once you are out of that time, then you can wear whatever is suitable and comfortable. When I went in 2012, I just took the Ihram, 2 pairs of jubbas and 1 salwar kameez. That was my clothing attire. A good side bag you definitely need to store your phone, money and a prayer book. Now earplugs you may require them when you are on the plane and when you're sleeping near the mountains of Muzdalifah. Same with a neck pillow and blanket. An inflatable neck pillow you can take which will help your head support and a medium thick blanket to lay down. You will be sleeping on a rocky ground in Muzdalifah. 3-pin to 2-pin adapter, or best to take a universal travel adapters that has built-in USB slots, which they normally cost about £10, so you don't have to worry about adapters again when travelling. Phone adapters and charger leads, make sure they are all genuine, especially your phone battery. Right, sunscreen you can take, but make sure it does not contain any fragrance in them as this will be not allowed to wear. A sports water bottle. Now normal water bottles will be provided, but it's best to have your own bottle to top up water at any time. Now after doing some research I came across this water bottle which you can either get in 400ml or 600ml. Has a carry handle and a mist spray included that will tackle the heat. These bottles you can easily buy them online for around £5. Now men are not allowed to wear underwear whilst in Ihram, meaning sweating and rubbing of the thighs together may cause trouble when walking. To prevent this, men are advised to use Vaseline or any other non-perfumed moisturizer on their inner thighs whilst in the state of Ihram. If women do wish to apply Vaseline on their skin, they can do so. Take with you an antiseptic cream, non-fragrant, for any bites or itchy skin. While I was in Mina, I had mosquito bites on my arm and was advised to see the doctor at the hospital, which was only about 10 minutes walk away. I got checked in and they provided me with a cream for my bites and medication was free too. Usually Umrah and Hajj pilgrims are treated free of the cost in Saudi government hospitals. Now if you're on prescribed medication, make sure you note down or take a picture of the tablets you're taking, just in case the doctors in Saudi will need to know. As for other medications, take with you soluble or paracetamol tablets, ibuprofen, Darolite and Gaviscon tablets. You can also take along with you cool and soothe gel pads for headaches, some cough sweets if you get a sore throat, 7C's tonic, orange flavour and multivitamin electrolyte tablets which will provide you that energy boost while you're on the go. Walking sandals. Now these type of strap walking sandals that has a grip at the bottom and rubber at the top are one of the best ones to take while performing Hajj. Normal sandals or slippers you can take to wear while you go into the mosque to pray because it will be easy for you to slip on and off. Do not take any flip-flops other than using it in the hotel, but I'm sure hotels will provide you with a pair. These strap sandals cost around £20. Make sure the top layer is not made out of foam, otherwise your sweat and water will get trapped in and will leave a bad smell. Make sure it's rubber type so water and sand can easily be wiped off. One of the main things while you're on the go is your rucksack. Make sure it's durable. The items you will normally carry is your prayer mat, sandals when you take them off, water bottle and anything else that is necessary depending upon where you're traveling to. Right, zipper bags. Inside here you can add a miswak toothbrush, a normal toothbrush if you wish, some toothpaste, any medication tablets if needed, creams, nail cutter and so on. Don't forget a prayer mat. Make sure its base is comfortable as you'll be sitting on marble flooring in the Grand Mosque in Mecca. Take with you a pair of sunglasses. There is no harm if you wish to wear sunglasses while you're in the state of Ihram, so this will be your choice. Don't forget a first aid kit. You can purchase a small kit for about a few pounds online, which will contain the necessary items. If you wish to take a sewing kit also, you can do. Body and hand cream lotions to protect the skin. Just make sure it's unscented. Also, it's best to avoid alcohol related products. Now, people do recommend taking a tennis ball to rub in those tensioned muscle areas that can cause pain. Now, I found something better. It's called a metal roller glove massager. Costs around £5. This will help with your blood circulation with aches and pains that you may have under your feet or body. Right, other things you can take with you. We have a Hajj guide that is packed up with all the information and du'as you need. Costs around £8 each. A pocket Quran, tasbih or counter, a hair trimmer, a pen, a few carrier bags, weighing scales, some fragrance-free cleansing wipes or hand sanitizer, a few packs of tissues, a hand towel and a towel for shower. Some spending money. Roughly I took about £250, which I didn't spend it all. Just double check on the best exchange rates whether you can get here or in Saudi Arabia. Take with you pure aloe vera gel, unscented, so once your day is done, apply this on your skin to cool it down. And I believe that's basically it. Please do ask your group organizer or leaders in regards to all the items to take if you're unsure. If there is anything you guys do recommend or have any questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I'll catch you in the next one. Hope you all have a safe journey. Peace.